Crustless Blueberry Pie. 1 stick of butter melted. Well, let's see, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1½ beaten egg. Did I say 1 stick of butter? 1½ cups of sugar, and 3 to 5 slices of bread. This is for the crustless blueberry pie. Okay, that's the 1½ cups of sugar, egg, butter, mix. I goofed already. I was supposed to do it in a separate bowl. This is my 2 tablespoons of flour. So I removed the mixture from the bowl and I'm going to stir it up now. Still got to put the grapes in. The berries rather. I'm going to stir that up and get the bread ready. I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. I've added about 2 cups of blueberries. Now I've lined my pan with the breadcrumb. Sometimes I don't use the crust, but I did on this one. Then we're going to stick it in the oven. Keep it in the oven for about 35 to 45 minutes.